Hi guys, hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on your iPhone's flashlight. So there's two ways. The first one we're going to see is you're going to swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. We swipe down like so, so it opens the control panel. And right here you can see the flashlight. Just click on it once and it's on. If you want to turn it off, just click on it again and you're done. Now, if you want to return to your home screen, just swipe up from the bottom of your screen like so, and you're ready. Now, let's review the second way to turn on a flashlight. You can also swipe down from the top left corner of your screen like so, and as you can see right here, we can see that there's the flashlight icon. In this case, you're gonna press on it, but you're going to leave it pressed until the flashlight turns on, like so. As you can see, the flashlight has turned on, and if you want to turn it off, just click and leave it clicked for a while, and it's off. And that's it, guys. Hope this was helpful. Please like and subscribe so I can continue to give you guys more helpful tips. Cheers.